In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metadata in Framer for blog CMS. If you manage a blog in Framer, consistent metadata, like titles, descriptions, slugs, and SEO fields, makes your posts easier to find and look better when shared. We'll bring all of that in at once with a CSV import so you don't have to edit entries one by one. Start by going to Framer and opening the project that contains your blog. Once you're in, look to the top left. Where you normally see Canvas, open that drop-down and switch to CMS. This opens the content side of your project where your collections and fields live. Inside the CMS panel, click Add to create something new. From the options that appear, choose Import Collection. This tells Framer you want to bring in a full set of entries, not just a single item. Next, select CSV Import. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet file that Framer can read and map to your collection fields. Click Upload File and select the CSV you prepared for your blog. Make sure your file includes a header row with clear column names that match your collection fields, such as title, description, slug, and any SEO metadata you've set up. Using UTF-8 encoding and plain text without special characters helps avoid import errors. When you've chosen the file, click Open to attach it. Now, click Import. Framer will process the file and create entries in your collection based on the columns it finds. If your CSV includes image or thumbnail fields, use full image URLs so Framer can pull them in. Keep slugs unique, avoid extra spaces in your text, and use consistent date formats if your collection includes published dates. When the import completes, you can return to Canvas to preview your pages or stay in CMS to spot check a few entries and confirm that titles, descriptions, and other metadata landed in the right places. If you're migrating a lot of posts, consider testing with a small CSV first, then running the full import once everything looks correct. That's it. Your blog metadata is now added and ready to power SEO and clean previews across your site.